Very good, very good, very good. Ang kanilang food ay mixed veggies with Dogo juicy beef. Yan ang kanilang dinner for tonight. Uy, ubos na. Galing siya ah. Good job. Very good. May natira pa yeb-yeb. Konti. Ang galing. Simot ah. Very good. Paubos. Very good. Simot. Sarap. Very good. Ay, ang galing naman talaga. Good job, babies. Thank you.